We are now crossing the border to Poland.
Yay!
Yay! There aren't any signs of the border or anything here. And now we're over the border. Now we're in Poland.
Я тут сюда француз шла. Kings.
It's really badly raining the whole night.
Now we are all of a sudden we are in
Rainy and cold.
rainy cold Krakow. Previously when we were here it was sunny and super
it was
warm.
Like +32
Yeah. And we were around the same time, well, no, like a month after, I think 2 months after maybe.
I think we were in June.
Were we? Now it's July.
I'm not. Oh no.
And now we will go either to eat or to a cafe, because we both might need to use the ladies' room.
Yeah, and now it's funny because at the beginning of the trip we had exactly like this weather. It was very cold and
Rainy.
and then we had
Too warm.
proper heat,
Yeah, in France and Italy it was way too warm.
and now it's raining again
Yeah,
and it's cold again. But
So-
actually this time it was kind of nice
yeah. But now we will
after the heat.
invade Krakow.
Our starter. Okei, tässä on mun annos. Mä tilasin kasvissysäkkeitä ja sitten tässä on tommonen juustosämpylä, mikä on ihan superhienon näköinen. Ja sitten tässä on Miron annos. Mitä sulla löytyy sieltä?
Näkkileipää ja porkkanaa. Kanaa ja vihanneksia.
Kana ja vihanneksia. No. Mä osaan tehdä tolleen. Mä oon nähnyt kun Miro tekee tolleen.
Ice cream sour gelato.
Ice cream sour gelato, funky fluid. What is this?
It looks like piss.
Siis yllättävän hyvää. Hyvää
Mä
ihmettä.
niinku oletin, että mä oksentaisin.
Mäkin. Mutta on oikeesti ihan hyvää. Täällä on mun salainen aamupalasta, että haluaisi tulla katsomaan. Mut joo, tulkaa katsomaan mun aamu. Pitää ottaa kengät pois, koska ei tää kuitenkaan niinku mikään lastentarha siis herranjumala ole. Tässä mä sit niinku syön. Joo. Heippa! Miro is so excited because we are going to the largest indoor water park in the world. I'd rather be in the forest, but Miro dragged me here. Yes, because Miro was very sad that we weren't able to go to Croatia. There would have been this huge water park, but because of the car issues we missed it. Because we had to drive to Ljubljana to get the car fixed, and that's why we couldn't go to Croatia. So this is the second best option, or maybe the 15th best option.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Liettua.
Yeah.
What?
There's Lithuanian car plates.
Ah! Miro is spotting the different car plates from different countries. There there is a huge amount of cars, so that probably means that there is a few other people than us as well.
Just check that there's 15,000 daily visitors.
Oh, nice! We are gonna be one of them. Wish us luck. God help me.
We just came back from the waterpark.
It was so much fun.
It was actually a lot of fun.
Actually, when we went there, I was like, this is my nightmare. Like, I'm living my nightmare at the moment because I'm scared of water parks, and also there was a ton of people. But at the end, it was so much fun. We actually had so much fun. I even went to the water slides, and even to the extreme ones.
I've never been more proud of Ella. Soon we will be back home, back to Finland. Now, what is the situation?
We are fine.
We need to drive for about 10 hours in 2 days. We need to be around 4 p.m. We need to be in Tallinn. Our boat leaves at 6.
No,
9.5 or actually 10 hours because the car is a bit slower to drive. So yeah.
And we wanted to see still the Baltics.
But no time. We just need to buy magnets and then it's...
And lie to everyone.
Yeah, and lie to everybody that yes, we were there. Okay, we'll make our breakfast and continue driving. Why is there the Pringles can is not part of the breakfast? Trust me. Now we are in Lithuania and we have escaped Poland.
Luckily, not on our
Crazy country. People are parking here like absolute lunatics and also driving like lunatics.
We are driving to Riga. Woohoo! Woohoo! And then tomorrow morning we're gonna drive to Tallinn.
Tomorrow we'll be back in Helsinki. I would watch out if I were you. Look at this. I would watch out if I were you. It's almost 8 a.m.
It should have been filmed when Miro just then. He was lifting up my shoes. He had this in his hand. And then when he was picking up my shoes, he had it open. And then he poured like a lot of it to the ground. We are leaving soon.
Today's the last day.
This is the last breakfast in the van.
This is the last time Ella will swirl the porridge. Ella
I
will
will
mix
do
the
it at
porridge.
home. I will
No,
continue.
porridge is forbidden.
I promise you I will keep doing
Porridge
it at
is
home.
forbidden at home. She's about to make a mess. We're supposed to be on our way to Tallinn, but even more traffic than there already was. What is the issue with my hair?
The end of our trip.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
See exactly what he said. That's what he said.
Good morning, good day, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon and good evening.